Okay, diversity 2, we have a problem. My sunroof shade here has come loose. I tried to glue it back up, but that's not working. That looks bad. I'm gonna get it out of here. This is awful. Diversity 2, we were posting my sunshade. I went to Joann's Fabrics and got me about a yard. It was about $3.88. I had to use a T25 torque bit to get these screws out. There's one there and one there with a T25. I got my drill here on my T25 torque bit on there. Diversity 2, I'm removing my sunroof shade. I used flathead Phillips screwdriver and my T25 torque bit. It's got a long stem on it, but it looks like that. But these work also, in case you don't have the little battery drill. This turns with you. A little small ratchet with an extension on it. These out here. That's what they look like. One out and get the other two. Out in the flash. Number 3 and number 4. Okay. Now I heard if I push up, the glass should come right out. So let's do that. And I had to once I popped my shade out. It's spring loaded. Has 4 little spring clips on 2 on each side. By bending the sunshade a little, it comes right out. Looking like these little clips here are spring loaded. It's a screwdriver. A flathead screwdriver. Out. Just pushing up on this and kind of minion this to get them to slide out the track. Let's slide it forward and do the same thing. The back one. I had to press on both of these and push down on here. This was being caught. Got this bracket in the back. But I had to get both of my little sliders out and bend it back and pull forward, and it came out. Except for the back of it, it's got the little bumpers. You have to kind of work with that to get that to come out the rear. Once that out, it comes right out. So I had to take it out and pull off the old fabric, get it prepped, vacuum it up, and I took and I measured and cut my fabric. Take me a wire brush and scrape off the glue from the old fabric. Then I took my sunshade and laid it upside down onto the fabric. Then I sprayed it with my all-purpose adhesive from AutoZone. I got some fabric here from Joann's Fabric. Got a whole yard for about $3 or so. $3.81, and I got my Super 77 3M multi-purpose adhesive from AutoZone, and that got the job done.